Hey loves, so I am actually getting ready to host Christmas Eve in our new home. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. This is our first time hosting Christmas in our new home or just hosting family in our new home. Like I said, it's Christmas Eve, so I'm going to be showing you guys what we're cooking. And I have not shown you guys my decor for Christmas. I have truly been enjoying it. So let me show you guys my Christmas decor. So this is the tree that sits upstairs in the foyer. It is actually gold and black. I don't know why this set of lights come on and off when they get ready. I really don't understand. But I'll take you guys upstairs in just a second so you can actually see the tree. It's very pretty. That's a 6.5-foot tree. So yeah. So I just went ahead and added this tree, like these tree stands with lights on them. You guys, they're so pretty. They were gifted to me by my sister-in-law. I also have these candle holders right here. I was not able to pick up candles because time just kind of slipped away from me. And I'm also burning this piece iced raspberry bellini tonight. When people start to arrive and as it get darker, I'll go ahead and I'll light that. But I think this little area right here, you guys, is really cute. I love this area. Now as we go into the family room, this is my gorgeous tree, you guys. I absolutely love the tree, and now it does not look as empty because we started adding in some of the gifts for family members, and I absolutely love this tree. I got this tree on sale. I want to say from Belk during the summertime. I love it, and with the presents, it's starting to look really nice. I just add a little garland right there. Like I say, I kept it really simple. I just have our stockings right there as well. Excuse that, we've been cleaning up, trying to get ready for tonight. And this is actually my little tablescape that I have going on right now, you guys. So yeah, and also in the kitchen, I didn't do a whole lot either, but I'll show you guys what I did do. Okay, you guys, so excuse the stuff back there. That's for the party tonight because we're actually going to be doing brunch style food. So I just did this little table centerpiece thing right here with like a cute eucalyptus, as well as I use the decor that's in the tree. I have some of those left over that I just went ahead and added here on this cute tray. You guys, like, I love this tray, and I also love this vase. I picked both up from Home Goods. So yeah, and moving over here, I got this picture right here from Home Goods as well, you guys, and I feel like it adds some simplicity to the kitchen. So let me go ahead and start getting prepped and ready to start cooking.
my shit, feel mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should. And no more struggling, I'm all good.
Yeah. Yeah, right here. It's good. It was good. I'm gonna show y'all what we use. Yeah, this right here is the
Georgia Southern stuff.
okay, Georgia Southern stuff. You mix with a little vodka, a little cranberry, prosecco, and pineapple juice.
Trusted you to show me how nothing is perfect. That's alright for now. Yeah, for now. Traveling beneath the ground, left and right, don't hear no sound right now. Yeah, right now.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, I never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit, feel mine. I'm spending my time in love like I should. And no more struggling, I'm all good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like, yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, I never thought I could. Yeah. I never thought I'd be on my shit.